Monday freaking morning. So, over the weekend I saw this post. I kind of, I thought it was probably a con. There was this guy that was somewhere around my age who claimed to have been completely jabbed, fully jabbed, if you will. He showed the magnets sticking to him. Refrigerator magnets, I mean. Then he also showed what he couldn't understand, and something that appeared to be some kind of a parlor trick, a magic trick, if you will, where every time he came within range of a Bluetooth-enabled device, such as a TV or a cell phone, it would attempt to pair with AstraZeneca, I think it was .com or some shit. So, Saturday night, multiple reports started surfacing from digital soldiers across the world claiming to have hacked into some kind of server apparently associated with the pharmaceutical companies that are producing these jabs. And what they found was real-time biometric accounts. What I'm saying is, they're turning human beings into biometric. And what's a biometric reading? It's any, say, your respiration, your breathing, your heart rate, your blood pressure, your chemical balance. It could be any number of things. Your weight, if your fat ass hasn't been working out enough, it's probably going to show a little cholesterol too. I don't know if it can actually show cholesterol, but my point being, this bioengineered serum that is by known definition known to be the definition of a vaccine. It is not a vaccine. Not one of these are vaccines. They are experimental serums. And they're using human beings as guinea pigs and rats. And I'm sorry if you're one of those people that was smart enough to fucking go ahead and jab yourself. I'll pray for you. But do I feel sympathy for you? I don't. Unless you were old or you were somehow forced, then God have mercy on the souls of the individuals that did that to you. But if you willingly accepted the fucking jab, after what, especially if you're a person of color, after what the government has proven it is willing to do to Americans, and God forbid, if you're a person of color and one of your ancestors survived, I believe they were called the Tuskegee experiments or some shit like that, where they actually injected syphilis into human beings. Regardless of the color of their skin, they were fucking Americans. So if you don't believe that our government would sink to a level like that, they're all about control. That's all this has ever been about. You step out of line, they flip the switch, and you don't get to step out of line anymore. This is all connected. We are in a spiritual, digital world war that is more unconventional than most people awake can even imagine. All we can do right now, though, is pray and still make attempts to plant seeds and pray some more. Please, God, comfort the obediently foolish idiots that have accepted the jab. Comfort them. Protect them if you can. Please, God. Protect and guide Donald J. Trump, all the members of Q, the members of our military, law enforcement, especially vets for child rescue, so that united with the good patriots of the world, we can put on the full armor of God, pick up our swords of light and truth in one sound voice, defeat the dark forces of evil that prey upon the children of the world once and for all. Amen. Before I end this quick Monday morning video, I want to say one thing. There's the only chance you might have. That's the one thing about that guy, that gentleman that was vaxxed, connecting with these Bluetooth devices. The only chance we might have when you know you're going to be surrounded by people that have been jabbed, to avoid, what do they call it, the shedding. Leave your cell phone at home. Leave your digital devices at home or in the car. I gotta get going. My neighbor's dog is out here looking for Nightmare. But try that. That might help you. Talk to you all soon. God bless. Stay safe. Later.